Um, uh, I I think India, and obviously, when it is facing difficulties with the US and with Russia preoccupied with its war in Ukraine, India obviously cannot leave itself strategically exposed, and therefore will seek some form of normalization with China. And they have done so. A resumption has taken place. The Chinese are open to such normalization. Their aspiration is that India will join in a trilateral arrangement between China, Russia, and India in order to have a uh, Euro-Asia bloc, which would be designed to stabilize the world and to counter the hegemony of the United States. But, ultimately, we have to see that there are major differences between India and China which have not been reconciled. There is not only the border issue, but there is a larger Indian aspiration to be an equal of China. And that aspiration has not died down. It will not die down because it's the Indian psyche which desires to be seen as a global power, the equal of China. And that is what drives its rivalry with China. And that is why it is attractive for the United States to have India as a partner, because there is a convergence of objectives between the United States and India. But India, as I said, India is not prepared to pay the price of being a subordinate partner of the United States. And at the same time, India is not prepared to accept that it is not the equal of China and will not, in the foreseeable future, will not be an equal of China. It does not accept either of these two propositions, and that is the dilemma that Indian foreign policy makers have faced today.